Wood veneer is used when sequencing of grain and uniform color is desired. Projects that use wood veneer are one of a kind, as no two flitches or sheets of veneer cut in sequence are identical. The pros of using veneer are that the sheets can be viewed prior to the start of the project, so you know what you are getting. And that means you won't get any surprises. All stakeholders can view the wood veneer at the same time and discuss and confirm all aspects of the wood veneer and the project at hand. The cons are that the main attributes of wood veneer can be a liability. Wood veneer is one-of-a-kind item. Unlike lumber, if something happens in the manufacturing or installation process, you can't just go get another piece and have it match. Wood veneer is very fragile up until the time of installation, but after installation, you can expect many years of enjoyment.